Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here we are, another week. I'm telling you, I am trying to stay consistent. So be proud of me that this is week 2 of me shooting some videos. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I hope you enjoyed this video and make sure you go check out those old videos because they are pretty dope and I really love what I do and I'm hoping that you all will too. Make sure you're hitting that bell so you get all the notifications for when I upload more videos and content. Alright guys, so today is all about Wooden Element. If you remember, I did a photo shoot, a blog, and an unboxing for them a couple months ago because I love the brand. I've been following them for about 2 years and honestly since the first time I saw them, I thought that what they did was amazing, making these high-end, elegant accessories out of recycled wood from all over the world. It's just, I've never seen anything like it. So I was lucky enough to not only get a ring from them, but I actually was able to also get one of their watches. This blows my mind that I was able to do this. Why? Because you don't really get the chance to work with such amazing designers, especially when you're a micro influencer. And the fact that they are a black owned company makes me love them and love it even more. I'm all about supporting small businesses and I'm very much so all about supporting black owned businesses. So I wanted to do another unboxing showing one of their watches. Now, every time I work with a brand, I always tell them what my favorite items are, and I'm really excited to show you all, as well as, not gonna lie, to wear it. I mean, who wouldn't be? All right, let's take a look. Do you know what's crazy? I still have the box. Actually, I'm gonna show you. I still keep the box from the first one that I did. I literally still have it. When I tell you all that I am obsessed with nice boxes and elegance, I mean it. All right. So it comes in this box, it comes wrapped. I'm not gonna go through everything I went through in the last video because obviously you saw it already, but I still wanna show you this. It has the emblem on the front of it, showing that it's Wooden Element. It slides right out. They went with the digital zebra. I seriously had 3 that I really liked and this was honestly my favorite one. It's like they knew that this would be the one that I wanted. This one, it's digital and it's analog, which is pretty dope if you can see it. It has like this wavy pattern on it, which is why they call it like the zebra. And like, it depends on the weather if the pattern looks like waves or if it looks kind of chaotic, which is really crazy. They honestly make the best accessories. This one I like because that this specific zebra wood is made from West African wood, which makes it so rare and like it's softer on the skin, you know? I feel like it honestly, with my skin tone being like a little darker, this one complements it so well. Now, they seriously have so many different watches that range from seriously around $100 to $200. This one I like because this one's right in that middle ground of them both. This one on their website, if I'm not mistaken, ranges at about $139. Are you kidding me? That is a great price. The thing I love about this is that not everyone knows how to rock these. not everyone is really jumped on that bandwagon of wooden accessories. I've seen some people with the bow tie, sure, yeah, but I have yet to see someone who is just rocking a high-end watch made from fine recycled wood. I honestly can't get over how much I love this brand. The watch itself is so sleek and it's suave and it's smooth. It seriously just like gives your wrist a completely different look. On the back of it, you get to see like their emblem is on there as well. So like, you know, I'm all about branding and they do such a good job. The owners are very awesome. I swear they go to different shows just to show off their products. This started as a small company and they're just growing, and this is why. This is seriously why they're growing so much. It's because that they have a product that they can stand behind. I honestly would do a full wooden accessories like set. They do have cell phone cases, sunglasses, watches, rings, earrings, purses for women. Like, they have every type of accessory almost. It is so easy to embed their merchandise into your daily life. This is an eye catcher that's going to speak for itself, you know? And that's what makes me like their brand and their accessories so much. I'm telling you, when I first saw them on Instagram, it was actually a friend of mine who worked with them and was an influencer. And I was so jealous because I'm just like, man, I would kill to work with them. Like, their stuff is so amazing. And the fact that the owner came to me and actually talked to me and we built that relationship with each other to get to this point makes me so happy, because I'm all about endorsing a good brand and theirs is one of the top ones. I'm going to put the link down in my description for their website as well as their Instagram, because I honestly want you all to go take a look. And this isn't something for like an affiliate code or anything like that. I don't get money for telling you all to do that. This is 100% just I want to support a business that deserves the support of my followers and subscribers. And I want you all to actually be proud of something that if you decided to purchase because of me, that I stand behind it because I love their product. Like, it's crazy that I get a watch and I'm obsessed with the boxes. And that's how I know I love working with them and being able to be a part of their brand, because they didn't have to. And I want you all to really, really go look at their products and tell me what you think. Everyone has their own opinions. So I want to know, would you wear a wooden accessory? How would you wear it? Let me know in the comments below, guys. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure if you haven't already, you subscribe. And remember, guys, as always, show love, support the dream, and spread positivity. I'm about to go and rock this outside for a little bit. See ya.